Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can integrate Convertkit email list with Payhip. So, let's get started. First, you will need Payhip's account and also a Convertkit account. You can sign up for both of them by clicking the link in the description. Now, log into your Payhip account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Step 2. In the dashboard menu, locate and click on the Marketing tab or Settings. This will take you to the Marketing Settings page where you can set up integrations with email marketing services. Step 3. Look for the option to integrate with email marketing services. In the list of available integrations, find and select Convertkit. You can get your API key from your Convertkit account. Head over to their website and click on your name on the top right corner. Now click on Settings and find Advanced option. Here you can see your API key. Just copy and paste it in Payhip's required field. That's it. You have successfully integrated the Convertkit email list with Payhip. Now, whenever someone purchases your Payhip store, their email address will be automatically added to your Convertkit email list, allowing you to engage with them through email marketing campaigns. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Payhip and Convertkit for free.